Hi everyone, and welcome to week 6 of remote learning. This video tutorial is going to show you what you're going to be doing for week 6 and kind of show you the layout of the folder. So on the top of your main page, you're going to see a green folder that says Topic 8, Reconstruction, Week 6, week of May 25th. With this, I'm going to be posting this folder on Tuesday at 8 a.m. instead of Monday because it is Memorial Day on Monday, so enjoy your day with your family. So there's nothing to do on Monday. So when you click on the green folder for week 6, you're going to see the calendar. Please try your best to follow this calendar. Make sure you do everything that's found in the main page of week 6 folder. If you want to do more or look at more information about the Reconstruction era, you can look at the additional resources folder. If not, you do not have to. And there's no work on Monday. Happy Memorial Day. Tuesday, you're going to be watching Mr. S's Reconstruction video summary part 1. And you're going to answer part 1 questions. The assignment is found below, which is right here. Wednesday, you're going to watch Mr. S Reconstruction video explanation part 2. And you're going to answer the part 2 questions. The assignment is found below. Questions for part 1 and 2 are found in the same document. Okay? Then Thursday, finish up the Mr. S questions, submit the worksheet, watch President Lincoln's assassination summary video and John Wilkes Booth video. They're both found below. The Lincoln's assassination summary is 1:40, and John Wilkes Booth is 2 minutes and 13 seconds. This kind of gives you a little summary on why John Wilkes Booth assassinated President Lincoln and kind of his final days before he was found and killed. Okay? So watch those 2 videos on Thursday. They're very short, 3 minutes long. Then on Friday, watch The Times They Are a Changin' song by Bob Dylan and answer the discussion board that goes along with it. Look at the materials in the additional resources folder if you want on Friday. You do not have to. But I really want you to look at this song and answer the discussion board. But the main assignment you have to turn in to get credit this week is Mr. S Reconstruction video part 1 and 2 questions worksheet. The discussion board I want you to try, but if you can't get to it, don't worry. You'll still get credit if you just do the worksheet. But if you do the worksheet and the discussion board, you'll still get credit. If you just do the worksheet and you don't have time for the discussion board, you're still going to get credit. This assignment is the one I'm going to be looking at to see if you're going to get credit or not for week 6. Try to turn the worksheet in by Friday at 3 p.m. or the due date's still Sunday at 11:59 if you need to work on it over the weekend. So here's the worksheet. The link to the 2 YouTube videos are here. They're both 6 minutes long, so you're watching 12 minutes of video of Mr. S summarizing the Reconstruction era after the Civil War is done. Answer each question using complete sentences and details and evidence. The questions I would answer while you're watching the video. Okay, that will help you. You can answer them on this Word document, answer them in a new Word doc, or write your answers on paper. I'm going to show you what the worksheet looks like in 1 second. So here's the worksheet. There's 3 questions that go with part 1. Again, answer in complete sentences, use details to support your answers. I should not see just 1 or 2 word answers in here. And again, the answers are literally found in the video, so you may have to watch it more than once to get the answer. So you answer these 3 questions. This is for video 1. The link for video 1 is in here too. If not, use the one that's found in the assignment. Video 2 questions are found on the second page. Make sure you're looking at the second page. There is a second page. So video 2, part 2, the link is here. Here's the 3 questions. You only have 6 questions to answer for the worksheet, and then you're done. So make sure you're rewatching it if you're stuck on a question. You can also use other resources to help you answer the questions, but these questions will come up in the video, so make sure you're paying attention to the 2 videos. So here's the other 2 videos you should be watching on Thursday or Friday. Again, they're about 3 minutes long. Here's The Times A Changin' by Bob Dylan discussion board. So it says, listen to the song Times Are Changing by Bob Dylan. It's been covered hundreds of times, but listen to Dylan's original 1963 studio version. Use the lyrics in the song to apply to events from the 1860s. Okay, see if there's similarities between the two time periods, or if these lyrics can apply to what was going on in the 1860s during the Civil War era. And post your comparisons, thoughts on the discussion board. See the attachment right here, this doc, for more directions on the discussion board, for background, and the link to the actual song. You'll have to click closed captions to actually listen to the song, so you can see the lyrics. Okay, it's a really good song. I know for the people that liked listening to some of the songs this year, this one is pretty good. And again, you're comparing 1960s when this song was created to the 1860s. And here's the additional resource folder. Again, if you finish everything and you want to kind of learn a little bit more about the Reconstruction era, you click here. There's a couple Mr. Betts songs about Reconstruction. There's Reconstruction after the Civil War video. Mr. Betts does a song about Reconstruction. Mr. Betts does a meme story about the Lincoln assassination. He does a really good job with that video. I highly advise you watch it. And I have a Word doc about John Wilkes Booth, some information about him, the old textbook, and the Reconstruction PowerPoint. These are additional resources. You do not have to go in here if you don't want to, but if you want to know more about the Reconstruction era, these are some good resources to use. But the main worksheet you have to complete to get credit this week is this one right here, the Mr. S Part 1 and 2 video questions. You do have to watch the videos to get the answers. They're very short. They're 6 minutes long, so 12 minutes total, and it gives you good information about the Reconstruction era. Again, if you have questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. And miss you all, love you all. Have a great Memorial weekend, and have a good day.